Guys, by the end of this video, you'll know how to polish your car confidently and like a pro. This is a 2013 Ford Focus. It's never been detailed. It's full of scratches, spiderweb scratches, swirls. It's got a big scratch on the passenger side door from a shopping cart. I'm going to show you how I buffed it out using a dual action polisher. This car has been thoroughly washed by hand and with pressure washer. The next step is to decontaminate the paint using a clay bar. I've got clay bar lube, which is water and car wash soap. What you need to do is gently move your clay bar back and forth across a small section of your paint. It'll pick up any impurities, or sand, or debris. The debris and impurities will stick to the clay bar. You'll know that the clay bar is doing its job as you'll feel less and less resistance across your paint as you drag it back and forth. At first it's going to show a lot of resistance as it picks up pieces of dirt and debris, and then it gets easier to slide across. And then you just you move on to the next section. Here's a bit of dirt in the clay bar. One clay bar will last 5 or 6 vehicles. It's reusable. It's very inexpensive when you consider how many cars you can get out of it. So this has picked up quite a bit. What you do is you fold over your clay bar, exposing a clean side, and continue on. Just keep folding it over once in half, kind of laminating it. You can get 5-10 cars done on one clay bar. Here I've got a dual action sander. It's a 5 amp, 6-speed variable. I'm using Meguiar's compound. I'll put links in the description to all the things you see here today. Then you turn on your machine. And you want to do 5 or 6 overlapping passes. I try to do about 75% overlap, letting the machine do most of the work. Applying a moderate pressure, not too much. Going back and forth. And this finish is starting to look better already. Here I've sped it up a bit. Guys, if you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Wow, you can see the comparison. Night and day difference. And here's the finished product.